love with the blessings of God. We were head over heels in this love thing. Funny, ain't it? Thinking back, our friends thought it was just a fling. I used to call you on the phone, late night tip, mackin' to you in your ear, conversation well equipped. I used to make you laugh, I used to make you smile, but all the while your roommates were in denial. We felt a lot of jealousy from the very start. Your so-called friends kept trying to tear us apart. They used to tell you all kind of lies, just like a wolf in sheep's clothing. The devil came in disguise. They transformed all your smiles into tears. They sabotaged your happiness and blamed it on my busy career. I gave you everything, aiming to please, but I guess it wasn't enough, cause now you're ready to leave. But don't go, baby. What it do, baby?